Here we go, everybody. Pioneer Gambling Hall, Laughlin, Nevada. Let's see what this is all about. It's right next to Golden Nugget. If you haven't seen that walkthrough yet, look back a few days. I think I posted that up. Howdy, partner. Welcome to the Pioneer. Oh my goodness. You didn't hear it last time. I'm saying it again. It's 116 degrees and I'm walking from casino to casino right now and it's hot. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Whew. Here we go. Pioneer Hotel and Gambling Hall. Oh, snaps. Oh, what's up, Pappy? There we go. So we're soaking this. Alright, let's go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise to this casino. What is this? Oh, it's a goldfish, different style. Interesting. Alright, we're going counterclockwise? No, let's go clockwise. So that's called a Pioneer Bank. Look at that cashier. And then they have the watering hole bar over in the middle. Here's your electronic
No more bet.
electronic blackjack. What is this? American comfort food. Bumbleberry flats. Interesting. And your roulette. What's the minimum? Minimum's $1. There you go. There you go. And they got the shoot to win bubble craps. Yeah, minimum bet here is also $1. Nice. Ooh, background music, copyright music. Okay. Apologize if the camera is not as great because I'm using a different camera. It's an Insta360 Go 3 camera. It doesn't catch inside lighting too well. Okay. Yeah. Shrimp Mania Link. I've never played this game. This is slow. Yeah. A lot of old games here. In this bar area here. Wow. I think at nighttime they actually have performances here. Oh, I think on weekends. I saw a video of somebody coming in here and playing games, and I think the slots are loose here too, because they were winning. But yeah. And this is the game that started it all. Oh, look at these Wheel of Fortune games. And the Dragon Links. Ooh, Lectureland. Let's see if we get anything. Okay. Got all the newer games up in the edge of the casino, and you notice all the older ones in the middle. What is this? William Hill Sportsbook. Oh, sports game arena. I call them arenas. Yeah. All your old game kings. Look at the setup. It's like you can play here, and it's like nobody else can really watch your game. That's interesting. You got your four reels. Alright, let's walk over to the other side. She's waiting for you to sit down and play. Alright. Crazy money gold. Bars here. If anybody wants to know, the ventilation in here is not that great either. Multi-denomination. I haven't seen this one. Interesting. Maybe I just haven't paid attention. Lots of game kings all over. Stacks. Lightning ring. More dragon eggs. A lot of link games, huh? And I think that's it, everybody. That's your casino walkthrough of Pioneer Gambling Hall. I think it's called Gambling Hall. Ooh, round up, free membership, $5 reward. Gotta sign up later. And now, just walking around, recording for everybody to see.
Okay.
That's it. Man, it's small. I guess I'm spoiled with Harrah's. I wonder what the other hotels are like. We will see. We will see. Oh, there's another section over here. What is this? So next to the reception desk, you have Pioneer Country Store. Okay.
You can't miss it. That great big blue.
Alright, so next to the reception desk, we'll go over here and see. There's a sign over here that says Pioneer's Hot New Slots. And these are really old. Oh my goodness. Looks like a museum in here. Look at this. Wow. Oh, it's a tournament area for old slots. Yeah. That's crazy. Alright, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Join me on the next one.